Hello there, navy colored cotton socks. We're going to go through the SHIB Metaverse. We're going to do some important calculations and we're going to see the market cap of the SHIB Metaverse that was just launched 14 hours ago. I want to know, is it cheap? Is it expensive? Can we use a metric? If you are one of those reply guys who say, I don't agree with this number and this market cap, you can go in the corner, wear your crumpled slippers. We're going to look at the entire picture together. I like looking at market cap. You know why I like looking at market cap? Because everybody else looks at market cap. That's why it's important. You might think it's worth nothing. I completely disagree. Every single person looks at it. Everyone. Now, SHIB Metaverse, it's very time sensitive. The official SHIB Metaverse was just launched. The mint for it. So the game, Metaverse, whatever it is, it's coming out very soon. They're probably going to time it with the market. Wink, wink. And I've done some homework for you. So SHIB, they have the Shiboshis. See on this right-hand side, the Shiboshis are these cute little ninja dogs, just JPEGs. And they actually have some utility. You got to go deep in the ecosystem. They're going to add more stuff, right? So Shiboshi, what I did was you just do 10,000, round number here, 10,000 multiplied by the floor price. And that's in ETH. And then you convert it and you'll get about an 8.9 million market cap for the Shiboshis. So you have that reference point, 8.9 million. The SHIB Metaverse, if you go to the website, you'll be able to see how many they've brought up. So I've got the SHIB website here for you. Okay, it's in this little writing here. They said they're going to release 100,000 land over time. But in the first phase, it says 32,000 will be available for purchase. That's it. 32,000. So that's the number we're working with. Now, I've done a conservative number here. I've done 33,000. I rounded it up. And instead of a 0.2 minimum ETH, I've put it to 0.3. There's three levels, okay? There's 0.2, 3, and 5. I've just taken the middle. Its market cap is around $17 million. That's what seems to be the valuation. I was very happy to see this. I'm like, you know what? This is pretty good. And we're going to see why later. Now, Bored Apes, the monkeys at the bottom, its market cap just for the monkey JPEGs is 1 billion. Now, if you don't like the JPEGs and the monkeys, that's okay. That's all right, man. Your slippers are crumpled. You've got a slanted back. We are here to observe the market. Just like how there are coins in my portfolio, our portfolio, the DGen's portfolio, that other people don't value. I don't give any value to these JPEGs. I don't, but I know other people do. There are communities there. The community is the asset, not the JPEG. So, SHIBs, right in the middle. I like this, friends. I like this. Time's running out, all right? So you can go to SHIB Yard, and you can observe here. SHIB Yard has a floor price of 0.185. Now, you can mint it for 0.2. So, I've reiterated my previous video. You can see cheaper than 0.2 ETH prices here. Why? It's because what people do is they spam buy, and then if they don't win a good feature set, a good NFT land, a rarity one, what they do is they immediately list it to take a loss because they want liquidity, because they want people to buy their unlucky rolls off them so they can quickly mint the new ones as well. These are very, very short-term scalpers. Eventually, these get taken off. Okay, so this is where I got it. There's going to be there's 20,400 so far. See up here, top left, 20,400. There's only 33,000 that are coming out. So already, 65% of them are gone. It hasn't even been one day. They're going like hotcakes. Now, obviously, people can spam them and then dump them more, etc., etc. So there's no guarantees. But the SHIB community is strong, and I think it's worthwhile to participate. So this is the Shiboshis. This is just to give you an idea of... They've done this before. The ecosystem is growing. It's very strong, right? So SHIB went from 850 holders to 1.2 million just in 2021. It's a very strong community. Many people think it's worth zero. I think it's going the other way, opposite to zero, which is the moon. So I've already made this video. My previous video was on this. We go through the minting and what to do, all this stuff, all right? And you're looking for exposure. That's the whole point of it. Just a quick recap. We are looking for exposure to the SHIB ecosystem. I don't want to buy a very expensive coin. So this chart is SHIB ETH. See in the top left, SHIB WETH. SHIB Ethereum is only, look from, if you measure it from the very, very, very top wick, It's only here 72%, 70% down from the top. Now, if you know anything about crypto, 70% is just the start. You want to grab 90% for free money. 90%. So SHIB would have to drop another, what's this, from 63, another 60, 70%. I don't know if it's ever going to get that. Because look at this. If I put it to a log chart and you see what's happening. Oh, it is on a log chart. Isn't this amazing? This is big accumulation zone. I don't know if we're going to get there. Maybe we do. Maybe we do. I don't know. The size is very big for SHIB. So that's why I think it's intelligent you explore other parts of their ecosystem. If you look at CoinGecko, what's SHIB's market cap on the right here? 6.1 billion. So I think it's too big, personally. I don't think it's gonna slow down or go down, but I do want more exposure if we're gonna put smaller bullets, because it's SHIB did so well in 2021, 280,000 X in that year, that it's hard for me to go super aggressive and try to play for another leg. Okay, but I do believe in the ecosystem. So I'm looking for alternative exposure, and this is what we have. So SHIB, they're being minted like hotcakes. You go to the website and you mint them. Where is it here? You go to the website, you do your quick buy, and that's it. Then we just wait. We wait like 2-3 years. Let it come out. Maybe it's crap. Maybe it goes to zero. That's a possibility. We can lose all our money. Maybe it starts off on its feet. People participate. The ecosystem grows. And just to reiterate, friends, okay, 2020. I don't mean 2025 as in like a joke. Like, I actually do mean 2025. I really do mean that. Right? I really do mean somewhere in this window. Maybe like goes down to zero, come back. SHIB's up here. Who knows? And then the metaverse is whatever it gives us. Okay, so another reiteration. The previous bull market, I've gone through this before. If you just check this chart, the previous bull market, you want to see the narratives that happened up here. We're playing for an echo narrative. Gaming, layer one, metaverse, NFTs, they were part of it, right? Metaverse and NFTs were big in 2021. They took over. You might not agree with it, and I don't like it either. They're JPEGs, but it is what it is. Those people, they want to be hungry for more. They heard of people making the monkey ape wealth in 2021. People want a piece of the action now. I like this SHIB participation. I think it's great exposure. Now, what upside can we get from it? Well, this is not my realm. I have no idea. I really wish I could give you answers. But if I was to take a wild guess here, if SHIBverse is only starting here 17 million, I do see it potentially going 10x versus Ethereum to 20x, right? So hopefully, dude, wouldn't that be great for you? If you minted like a little dodgy one, 0.2 ETH, and one day in the far distant future, not anywhere close, far distant. I'm not talking next month. I'm not talking even 2024, 25, 6, 7, 8. If this continues to grow and it doesn't go to zero, well, maybe you can get a 2 Ethereum out of it. Wouldn't that be fantastic? And imagine in the future, how much would Ethereum be? Maybe Ethereum is like 8,500. Wouldn't that be fantastic if that actually works out? We don't know. This is how I'm thinking about it. To get a 10x on your Ethereum is huge. By the way, even to get a 5x on Ethereum, you got to take that. Okay, that's still big. If you can turn 0.2 ETH into 1 Ethereum, and you get that, you hold that ETH till it's like 10k, you've done so well off a little punt. How much is 0.2 ETH now? It's nothing, friends. It's absolutely nothing. It is $330. Wouldn't that be fantastic? You get like a total 30 to 40x if that works out. So don't go silly on these. Don't go silly. There are still other great ecosystem coins. You'll hear me. I get excited for these new things that come out because we participate. But look, share my enthusiasm and my energy, but then we got to calm down, right? It takes a long time, friends. NFTs are butchered from 2021. They are finished. They went 99%. Everything's finished, right? But here's the beautiful part. If you hang around during the depression phase, like I've been yelling at you two, and we've been participating, we've been engaging in friendship, we've been engaging in kindness, you've kept your slippers on, they're very fluffy. If you've been hanging around, opportunity like this comes. So you may ask, oh, but everyone's going to take this opportunity, right? Wrong. You still have to have the gift, the energy, the passion, what I have, to be able to read the language of the market and actually point this out to you, because there's so many other scams out there. And by the way, this can still fail. I'll tell you, you hear me 15 times every day. I'll tell you, man, all of our stuff can go to zero, friends. We're lucky to even be alive when you think about it, okay? Nothing is guaranteed here. It's all a game of probabilities. So this is the game. We can participate. The SHIB Metaverse, it's not even launched. That's how early we are. But wouldn't it be fantastic if it does go up? It does go great, right? SHIB's market cap is so big. I want to participate in something else, right? I don't want you to put in like 30 bullets into SHIB here and pray for this move. I think this move will happen one day. This move going up, but participate in something else. I think we like the microcaps because you're going to see this effect, the psychological wealth effect. It's exactly the same with Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin went up so much that it spawned Litecoin. It spawned Ethereum, you know? And now Ethereum has gone up so much, it spawned BNB. It spawned Polygon. It spawned Pulse Chain. Do you get it? That's what's happening. It's a psychological wealth effect. So we are just doing the same thing before anybody catches on. So we are getting a discount because nobody wants NFTs. Wouldn't it be like, by the way, I'm not even thinking about us getting to Bored Ape size. That would be, we've taken over the world at this point. I don't even know if we can get there. I'll just be happy, honestly, with you. Just get in your mind, even a 5x on Ethereum is great. I'm telling you right now. Actually, I'll drop it down for you, friends. I'll be honest. The real number is equals amazing. And I'm going to do a trophy emoji. And I'm going to do a flex emoji for you. Because yes, if you get 3.3x on your Ethereum in any investment, you are winning. You look at yourself in the mirror and go, wow, I did it. Because that is fantastic. You know why? Why? Because ETH BTC, friends, ETH BTC is going to probably flip Bitcoin. It's going to show us one day. It might flip Bitcoin, all right? We put on a weekly chart. So if you're making on Ethereum, let's put this on the log. If you can make just 3.3x on Ethereum, and let's say ETH BTC goes to 0.2 one day, up here, you're doing a 3.3 times, that's a 3x, by the way, 200%. So you're actually getting a 3.3 times a 3, you're getting a 9.9x return on Bitcoin. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, you could put in 0.1 Bitcoin, and if you do this, 0.1 Bitcoin worth is whatever the price is there, $2,500. Yes, it's possible. You play this right, your portfolio allocation here can be worth one whole Bitcoin, and in the future, Bitcoin's 100K. Yes, you're seeing it right now. This actually happens. That's why I've stressed to you, making 3.3 return, a 3.3x on your Ethereum. It's amazing. You should be flexing. It's getting harder and harder to do this. Now, you can obviously imagine my face. If you're actually able to get a 5x or a 10x, I'm like, oh my God, wow. Wow. You can convert that to Ethereum and then you just sit on it. All right. So the SHIB Metaverse, it's running out. There's 20,400 minted out of 33,000. They're going out. I don't know how it's going to go. Maybe they're all going to mint and people are going to dump. Maybe it goes down a 0.1 ETH. That can happen. Just be prepared. It can happen, friends. I've seen this. This is NFT world. This is not my forte. But what is my forte is we can see a community, number one. Number two, we are on a discount. So let's write this down just so you have some confidence, right? Because you're a baby doll friend and you like eating chocolate muffins. So one, huge discount, important, right? How do we know it's a big discount, right? So by the discount, you go, oh, but it's on launch. How do we know it's expensive or not? We get two ideas of a discount. One, A, market cap, right? Only 18 million. Let's do 18 million. Just round it up, whatever, right? Also, B, NFTs plus Metaverse went minus 95% down. Deep depression zone. So that's how you know you're in a discount. This is the double whammy discount, friends. I understand. There has to be spaces here. Otherwise, the non-friendship beast will appear. Okay, so look at this. Two huge discount opportunities. That's how I know, hey, this is screaming at me. Because I'm trying to help you here. Like, how come I'm looking at this going, gotta get it. And other people are like, nah, I don't really like it, right? But this is why I'm showing you. It's cheap and all NFT people are gone. All the people who want to buy NFTs, they only want to buy stuff to feel feel cool and popular. They don't actually like NFTs. They just want to follow the crowd. And everyone's lost money, so the crowd's gone. The crowd thinks we're going lower. It's just they hate crypto. So we're buying it now to sell them later. We buy in the depression, we sell in the euphoria, and the euphoria might come in 2 years. So just be prepared. 2, 3 years, 4 years, however long it takes, all right? So that is really, really important. You got a huge discount, number one. Number two, strong network effect, all right? Very strong. So you have SHIB, Shibarium, layer 2 launching. That's a short-term price catalyst. You have 1.3 holders of SHIB, which are huge, okay? You have so much, friends. You have so much, friends. And look at this. The third item, this is, probably I should put this first, but this is important, right? You have narrative boost, which is the Echo Ghost narrative of 2021 for NFT plus Metaverse. Okay, there you go. You have a look at that. We've got a huge discount, 1A and 1B. You've got a strong network effect, SHIB. Strong. Go and start abusing SHIB people on Twitter. They'll come for you, just like the Hex community. Look, Hex community still takes the cake. We still take the cake, right? You throw jabs at any Hexagon, you're finished. You are finished. But SHIB community is mega strong. Mega strong. Okay? And number 3 is that narrative boost. Because in 2021, there was a lot of action and energy around gaming, NFTs, Metaverse. So, yes, maybe we don't get our 1000x in the next one. But hey, this is still pretty good. Whatever we get, we'll just take it. We're going to take it like it's low-hanging fruit for us because you're buying in the depression. That's the important part. Like, you don't know. Is your bag going to go 5x, 20x, 100, 300? You don't know. But if you get it in the depression, you can worry about that part later. Okay? So, friends, that's all the information I've covered for you. Don't forget this. You get a 3.3x on ETH. It's amazing. We're looking for SHIB Metaverse. They're running out. Look on OpenSea. You could get a cheaper one if you want. Participate. And I don't want to hear anyone whinging. If this goes to 0, that's on you. Okay? That's it. We're going to hold this for years, and we'll see what happens. Tell your mum you love her. I'll catch you next time.